Hey there, fellow financial enthusiasts. Welcome back where we decode the intricacies of the stock market. But wait, before we dive into today's treasure trove of knowledge, I've got something that's going to make your day even brighter. I'm thrilled to unveil a free stock market investing course. Yep, you heard it right, free. The link is right below in the description, so don't miss your chance to supercharge your investing game. We talk about value investing and other investing strategies in the course. Now, let's jump into the exhilarating world of value investing. It's like going on a treasure hunt in the stock market. And spoiler alert, you're the one who gets to discover the hidden gems. Picture this, the stock market is like a grand bazaar with items at various price tags. Now, imagine finding a high-quality item on sale. That's value investing in a nutshell. It's the art of hunting for stocks that are trading below their intrinsic value, kind of like spotting a Picasso at a garage sale. It's not about following the crowd. It's about being the savvy individual who knows how to spot a diamond in the rough. What do value investors do well? They do their homework. Look into a company's financials, earnings history, and growth potential. The more you know, the better your chances of finding value. Patience is key. Value investing isn't a sprint. It's a marathon. Sometimes it takes time for the market to recognize the hidden potential of a stock. Stay patient and don't rush into decisions. Margin of safety. Always leave room for surprises. Invest at a price significantly below your calculated intrinsic value or what the company's stock price should be. This provides a cushion against unexpected market shifts. Remember, it's all about looking beyond the surface and uncovering those hidden treasures that others might overlook. Before you set off on your value hunting journey, don't forget to click the link to the free stock market investing course. Nestled below in the description, we talk about value investing and other investing strategies in the course. If this video added a nugget of knowledge to your brain, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. Until our next financial escapade, happy investing, and may your portfolio be as valuable as your determination.